Make sure of that.
Gin and tonic, 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 gin and tonic.
I love a gin and tonic, darling.
Finally.
The most important person in the room last.
Because guests first, I did myself last.
You did yourself.
Does Linda, you want a big,
Penultimate.
Linda, do you want a big one or a little one?
I'll take a big one. I'm gonna have food.
Have you seen what they've got? The
A breathalyzer, Peter Box.
Oh. And it's guaranteed to be the same reading as the what's it one?
oh. Now I was spitting my dummy out. I was like, let's have a gin and tonic. No, you can't have a gin and you've got to wait for Peter and Linda. I want a gin and tonic. And it'll be worth your while. I want to know why. Tell me.
Your face
Why
Why can't I have a gin? Oh, it's Christmas. I want a gin and tonic.
You always wanted, you said, it's in a blue bottle, you
Why
want the
don't I
gin to be blue. You now have blue gin.
Where? I have to ask who, where, why, what, and when.
Because you kept saying you wanted blue
Where
gin,
did
you
you get
wanted blue gin. So I said to Jackie, you gotta give him blue gin someday.
You nearly had it about a year ago, and then you very nearly had it when Laura and
Mike were
here, but I thought, no, I promised Linda I'd do it when Linda's here.
So what do you do? Food colouring?